So we're on our way home and we had some snow. And look at the sign it made. Just by chance. I love Sue. Isn't that nice? So a couple hours and we'll be home. So this is our view at the moment. Very, very white. It's snowing at the moment. So we're going very careful because the roads obviously are full of snow. And it's currently 0 degrees. So driving home slowly. So we are stuck on the road because this lorry can't move, we can't move, everyone's sliding, so it looks like we're going to be here for a while. Oh, and that lorry is, every time he tries to move, he keeps sliding, so we may have to be sliding back ourselves. Oh, this is not fun, is it, guys? So we've managed to get out of the way because this lorry can't stop. He's going back. Fortunately, we were able to move that 4x4 out the way, which can move, but we ain't got 4x4, and he's sliding.
The other lorry's coming up behind him.
And there's another lorry coming up behind us.
Can he get through?
I don't know, he's going to try and get through, I guess. Oh, he can get through. So when you're struggling with moving, this is what you need to move in the snow. Sue is pushing this car up there. Of course, people, I would be doing this, pushing it myself, but she's a little bit too afraid to drive, so otherwise it would be the other way around. We pulled over again because it's gone all slushy and slippy, and we're just watching other cars go down because there's another hill back there and we're not sure if we'll get up it. So we're seeing if other cars can get up it first, otherwise we'll try and wait for the snow plows or find an alternative route. But we're okay then, all safe and warm. So guys, we've just been watching a few cars going up. That's the hill we've got to go up. A lorry's just pulled out on it, reversed out onto it, and he's going up. And there's a few other cars. So that tells me we can get up there. So we're going to go up there, safely of course, but we're going to make a move in a minute. Okay, so we're starting now. Take the old hazard lights off. The road, it's a little bit slushy, but it's okay. So we'll update you as we're about halfway there. So we're approaching the dip. That's what I'm calling it, the dip.
Hill of terror.
Yeah, it's slushy, but hopefully we'll get up the hill right. Yep. So here we go. We're going up the hill and it's gripping. Sliding a little bit, but gripping. It's okay. Nothing to worry about. Getting up that hill. A little bit more sliding, but gripping. A little bit more sliding. But it's getting up there. Good old Peugeot. Come on, Peugeot. Oh, he's sliding now, but he's still doing it.
Oh dear.
Look at the roads now, guys. You wouldn't even know there was any snow. Blue skies, white clouds, everything lovely. Crazy. But we're all safe and sound. Thank you. Woo-hoo! And we're home back in beautiful Devon. That was a bit of fun this morning. Lets you know you're definitely alive when you are on the roads. Everyone be safe out there. Have a great day.